What's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It's Easter, it's the first day and I've got some more art for you. In today's draw along we're going to be doing a picture of a little chick like this. This is the one I've done today and this is the one I've done for the colouring page. If you like that, go into the comment section and you can go onto my website and download it to colour in. If you want to see more of these sorts of videos, hit the like and subscribe and then I know which videos you like and I can make more of that content. Let's get on with it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is draw out. I'm not going to do a circle, it's going to be like a potato shape and just make a nice big sort of ring or hoop. And then we're going to put in the body and it's just going to be, again, kind of a loose sort of bubbly potato-y shape. And then we're going to stick in a couple of legs with 3 little feet. Just make them like stickman legs. And then another one. Next we're going to do a little wing like it's raised up in air. And then the other one's going to go down, pointing towards the floor. Okay, for his eyes, I'm just going to do 2 lines to show where his cheeks are. Just underneath his eyes. And then we're going to draw the eyes in on top of this. So I'm going to make them go up and then a little bit wider at the top. A little bit like Tweety Pie, if you know Tweety Pie. Tweety Pie's eyes are a bit more rounded than this. And then I'm just going to draw in a couple of little circles just for little highlights. So these bits will be white when you colour it in. It just makes it look like there's a little glint of light in the eyes. For his beak, it's just going to be a little bit like a carrot nose. And then to make it more beaky, we'll put another triangle underneath. So it's a bit like it's got an open mouth. And then I'm going to colour in the eyes. If you're enjoying the video, hit the like button. It just helps me know what videos people like and I can do more of those videos. Okay, so now we're going to do a little open shell or a little egg that's been cracked open. So I've just done a wobbly line and then done the base of the egg. And then this bit's the inside of the egg. You can just see it beyond, a little cracked piece. And then the other one, I'm just going to do another wobbly line. And then this one's going to be a little bit more pointed because one side's pointed on an egg and the other side's more flat. And again, the shell you can see, to make it a bit more 3D, we're just going to put the shell in the background. And then I'm going to put a little label on my egg. And inside that, I'm going to put my initials. Because I like to hide my tag or my initials in my pictures. So it just says NAH, which are my initials. And then I'm going to do a few speckles on the egg. Just to make it looks a bit more interesting when you have just a few little details. And some sticky out hairs. And he's like flapping his wings to try and pop himself out of the egg. I'm going to draw a few feathers. And all I'm doing is a little dash and then lots of little flecky bits off it. Because they're only baby feathers, so they're not going to be like a really big double-sided feathers. They're just going to be little scrawny feathers. And then, just so you know, he's just popped out. And I'm like, pop. And 1 or 2 more feathers. Okay, so I'm just going to speed up the colouring just so you can see how I did it. I've just used some of my pens that you can see in the picture here. And I'm going to keep going over it until it looks nice and smooth. I'm just testing this colour. I've chosen a slightly darker yellowy orange to do his beak. Now I'll use this as well for a bit of shadow. A few flicks of colour on the feathers. And then I'll just sign my name. And there it is. One Easter chick. Right, I really hope you enjoyed that. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace!